Hello, my name is Aditya and I'm a rising freshman at Cupertino High School. For my main project, I'm building a 3-joint robotic arm that uses object detection to sense and then pick up food and then correspondingly move it to your mouth. So for my third milestone, I wanted to incorporate object detection into the robotic arm to fully automate the process. So here's a quick demo. So when I start, it would show what the camera is currently watching right now, which is the cube. And then it takes some time to process the image, and then it would pick up the piece of food. And then it would move up and then essentially put it close to your mouth. And then you can just like grab it off, I guess. So what's happening right now is that it originally moved to a designated location and then took a picture of the plate itself. Once it had the plate and the object, it processed the image using edge-to-edge detection. Edge detection is a form of imaging processing that essentially finds the borders of an object. And it finds the borders of an object by finding differences in brightness. I used something called HSV as a form of edge detection. HSV stands for hue, saturation, and value. Hue is essentially just the color. Saturation is the intensity of the color. And value is the brightness or the intensity of the color. And through the combination of those three factors, it's able to accurately identify the object and then draw a cube around it. And once a cube is drawn, it finds the center of it and then moves to the center. It finds the center, moves to the center, and picks up the food and brings it near your mouth. I faced many struggles when doing this project. The main struggle was just doing the object detection with more than one object. Like you saw, there was 2 objects. There was a blue cube and a red one. Originally, it would only do one at a time, and it would just find the corners of the object, and then find the center through that. But as soon as you put 2 in the same image, it would mess everything up. So I had to develop a better way to use edge detection, and it uses something called a contour, and it draws all the contours possible in the image, and then finds the coordinates of the contour, and then uses that to find the center, which proves to be much more accurate, and I can control the use of more than one food or more than one object. I learned the in and outs of object detection, the basic versions of it, the more advanced versions. I was also able to learn and explore different ways I could incorporate machine learning into this in the future. But now that the arm is fully operational and it's able to pick up the food, move it to your mouth, the next step would probably be to add voice detection into this project. That way a disabled person using the arm to feed could just use voice commands to trigger the arm or to trigger what type of food they want on the plate to be fed at that time and when to even start the feeding. Thank you.